guys, in today's video I have not one but two mystery boxes that I purchased from Kelz Mailjoy, and I also have some pretty awesome postcards to share with you. So if you're curious to see what I got from this company, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you a very mysterious haul from Kelz Mailjoy. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with Kelz Mailjoy, as I was not familiar with Kelz Mailjoy, they have their own website where they sell a plethora of different postcards. Super awesome. They also have some souvenirs on there as well, and they also have their own eBay store. So everything I'm going to show you today, I did pick up from their eBay store because I am a mystery box junkie, and they had a couple of different mystery boxes on their website, so I had to go ahead and snatch those up. Now, I found out about their business through Jean. Her channel name is Jean's Junk. Now, if you guys haven't checked out Jean yet, you have to jump over to her channel. Jean is beautiful, and make no mistake, Jean, you are truly beautiful. I love watching her. She is so funny. She does all kinds of different stuff on her channel. She does unboxings, and she also does like taste tests on various different things. She shares her hauls with you. It is just really fun to watch. And on top of all of that, Jean is a very talented crocheter and knitter. So you have to jump over to her channel and check out all the fun stuff that she has going on. And she is the one who told me about this awesome company. So without further ado, let's see what I got from them. Okay, guys, so I got a couple of different mystery boxes from them, as well as some of their postcards. So this here is the box that it came in, just like this, because I got a couple of different things from them. So we're just going to start pulling from the top here. Ooh, they're having a sale, guys. They're having a Black Friday sale on November 27th, 28th, and 29th, okay? So you buy 3, you get 1 free of their lantern pressed postcards. Guys, postcards are so cool. I love sending postcards to people because it's just a quick way to say hello to them. And with me having all of these YouTube buddies that I now have that I'm so excited about, sometimes I want to send them a hello. So they also have map postcards, Harry Potter postcards, international postcards, traditional postcards, and they also have a selection of stickers. So this is pretty awesome, guys. I'm going to go ahead and I will link this information in the description box below. Of course, I will have a link to their website as well as their eBay store so that you can check them out because they have a lot of fun stuff on their website and in their eBay store, and they're having a sale. So make sure you check out their sale as well. Okay, so that's pretty awesome. Ooh, Hollywood Boulevard. You know what I always say, guys? Just to check this out. I always say I'm from Ohio, but I belong in LA. I'm just saying. Oh, so it says thank you. It says thank you so much for your purchase from Kelz Mailjoy. We hope that you enjoy your purchase. So they're also on social media. They are at Kelz Mailjoy on Facebook and Instagram. So you guys can check them out there as well. And of course, they have their online store, kelzmailjoy.com. Make sure you guys check that out. All right, let's jump into my box. Woo! Let's start with the postcards first. I don't want to do the boxes first. I want to do the postcards. So they come in a little package just like this. Nice thick envelope. I'm going to reuse this. I'm just saying. Okay, so it says Kelz Mailjoy, seeing the world one postcard at a time. Awesome, guys. I love postcards. Oh, it comes in a nice, cute little bag. Check that out. Alrighty, dighty. Let's pop this puppy open. So I got this really nice Ohio one. You guys getting that without the glare, I hope. Now, I got ones that had Ohio because obviously I'm from Ohio. So when I'm sending postcards to people, I want them to know it's from me in Ohio. So they also have this Greetings from Ohio one. I should have got a couple of these, but I think this was the last one when I was buying it. So hopefully they get more of these in because I think I wanted to get more of those, but there was only one available. And then they have the Greetings from Ohio one. So awesome, so fun. So I'm definitely going to be mailing those out to some people. And this is a bonus one. I love bonuses. That's awesome. It says, I survived the great toilet paper panic of 2020. Amen, guys. Check that out. Yes! That is so super fun. I love that. That is a creative little postcard they got going on there, guys. So those are some of the postcards that you can get from their website, but they have a plethora of options. Make sure you guys jump over and check that out. So now we're going to jump into the mystery boxes. Which one do I want to do first? I don't know. It doesn't matter. So this is the beauty and skincare box. They labeled them really nice for me. So they come in a box like this. Oh, so exciting. Should I take this down? So, oh, there's one more thing in here. I might want to share that as well. So we're going to sit this down so I have places to put stuff. Okay. So I'm going to pop this open. It says, thank you for your purchase of our mystery beauty box. We hope you are happy with your purchase. How sweet. Ooh. Gonna knock everything out. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. So it looks like this. And I will pop this open and give you a sneak peek. Okay. So I did see Jean unbox one of these on her channel, but they're all going to be different. We don't know what's in them. They're mystery. So exciting. So fun. I love a good mystery box. All right. Let's jump into this. I think that Jean might have got this on her channel. You probably can't hear me talking because of the paper. Awesome. So let's go ahead and pop this open. What is this? This is a Sugar and Roses body butter. It's a whipped shea butter. So you take a dime-size amount and rub between hands, then apply to body and massage into skin. Apply more as needed. This is 2 ounces, okay? Awesome! I'm loving it. And I can tell you right now, Mango Madness. Ooh, that's what I got. Awesome. This is definitely a handmade little jar thing where they put this stuff on there. Loving that. I don't know if they make the butter. I have no idea. That would be really cool if they did. Oh my God, it smells like heaven. Some of it leaked out on the top here. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. That's what it looks like. Some of it just kind of leaked out, which is totally fine. I mean, I don't want to waste it. I want to use what's in here. But it looks super, yeah. I think it's yeah, hold on. Yeah, so that's what it looks like, but I don't want to like not get to use what's on the top here, so we're gonna rub that in there so that I can use every last bit of it. Oh my gosh, I can tell you guys right now this stuff feels amazing, and my hands need some serious help, like serious help. I'm just saying. Okay, so we're gonna set this aside here, and I'm just gonna rub in what's on my hand here, because you don't need a lot. Oh, yes. Between that and what I got from True Wants. Oh, my God. The smell of this, you guys. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, I'm really excited about this item. Oh, my gosh. That was just the first thing, guys. I absolutely love this. This is amazing. Oh, my hands are going to love this so very much. Okay, this is great. Let me put this aside here so that I don't mess up anything. I'll put it right back in the box, and we're going to grab the next item. So this is called Item. That's awesome. This is a Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. You guys know I love a good mascara. I like their packaging. Their packaging's pretty awesome. So I just plop this open, I'm guessing. Get my muscles going. Okay, yeah, it's literally called Item. I don't know if I got anything like this in any of my other boxes, but you're not supposed to open these. I keep seeing that on people's videos, but I don't know. I open them, whatever. Ooh, nice little wand there. Liking that. Yes, guys, and it's black, which is key. I need black in the color, so that's awesome. You get 3 milliliters. Yes! Guys, by the way, I don't think I told you I paid $9.95 for this, and I believe it was like $4.95 shipping and handling, so about $15 for this little box. And so far, it's friggin' amazing. Ooh, we're going to save that for last. Let's do this next. So we have an AOA Studio Balm Lip Rescue. Yes! Guys, I always tell you how much my lips need help in the wintertime as well as my hands, so this is awesome. Dude, it's like this thing was made for me. Let's plop it open because you guys know I'm going to be using this quite a bit. So it's called Skin Rescue. It smells pepperminty. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's just, obviously it's going to be like clear. Can you guys see that? It's right there. So it's going to be clear. I'm just going to rub it in a little bit. Yeah, it definitely smells pepperminty. Oh, I love that. The peppermint smell is great. Guys, this is awesome. Okay, so we have this as well. I did not look at the ounces. Sorry about that. I don't know how much you get, but oh, here it is. 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces. Guys, I am loving this box. Okay, and then I also have an Ipsy bag. So this came in Ipsy. Guys, what I love about these Ipsy bags, and I've said this many times, this is one of the ones that I won one of these from Kelly, from Kelly's Unboxing Addiction as well. And I use these to put gifts in. I love them. So I can get like 20 of them and I would be happy. The exact same bag. Doesn't matter. Give it to 20 different people. Do I know 20 people? Yeah, surely I do. I hope. Okay, so then we have this Illuminask Unveiled Artistry palette. So it's an eyeshadow palette, obviously. So let's zoom in here so you don't see my ring light so much. And that's what it looks like that. So let's plop this bad boy open. Let's see what we have. Oh, so exciting. Okay, so here's what the inside looks like. It looks like I have some grease happening from what I've just put on my hands, which is awesome. Oh, wow. So pretty. Okay, there's a mirror on it. So we're going to bend this back. But look at how pretty this is. Wow, what a pretty palette. It is so pretty, guys. Like, honestly, I would definitely use all of these colors, but I might end up giving it to my niece. We'll see, because I'm trying to beef up her Christmas gift. I'm just saying. So they have all the colors on here, though, which is awesome. So I'm going to flip this back down, and I'm going to show you the colors here. Awesome. So they have all kinds of names for their colors, like Vivacity, bold, distinct, all kinds of stuff. Guys, wow, this was awesome. Again, I only paid roughly $15 for this entire box. Hello? I got this palette in the box. I'm sure the palette made the box by itself and then some. So I got this really awesome palette. That'll make a great gift for my niece because I'm honestly trying to beef her stuff up a little bit more for Christmas. I got the Ipsy bag, yes. And then, of course, I got the mango body butter, yay. And then the AOA lip balm. What? Again, this entire thing was $15. Oh, I'm sorry. I missed the mascara. I thought there was something else. I thought I was missing something. But I also got the item mascara as well. Again, $15. What? I'll just do that from now on. Let's just cancel all my beauty subscriptions and I'll just order from her from now on. That's pretty awesome, guys. $15. This was an excellent value. I'm so excited with this box. I so can't wait to use this box. And it makes me feel even better that I was helping support a small business. That is so exciting to me. Okay, so let's move on to the last box. There's one more, guys. Woo! So I got a planner journal box. I can spit that out. So I'm so excited about this one. Guys, I love this kind of stuff because, again, I'm a crafter, so I might not use a lot of this for its intended use, but I will definitely use it. Either way, that's okay, right? I think so. I hope so. Okay, so let's hit that over there really quick, and we'll pop this bad boy open. Ooh, bubble wrapped. There we go. That's the inside. We'll take the bubble wrap away so that you can see the cool little tissue paper they used. I'll probably reuse that myself. So all you guys out there, my little YouTube buddies, may see this tissue paper again in the future. I'm just saying. I'm a reuser. Ooh, this looks so fun. Okay, so here's a sneak peek of the inside. Yay! Okay, so we have some washi tape. Okay, that's really awesome. I am a washi tape fan. I like to use it to help decorate some of my packages, so I dropped that one. But here's this one right here. So awesome, so super cute and fun. And of course I dropped something. And instead of putting you guys on pause, I'm going to try my hologram. So we'll just see if this actually works. Oh, it's fun. We have little cats. Look at that. Oh, so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Okay, great. All right, so let's see what else we have in here. All kinds of fun stuff. All right, so we have a couple of little ink pens, and they're all individually wrapped, which is so really awesome. Okay, so we have a nice Sharpie gel ink pen, and then this one is a metallic jelly ink pen. So awesome. Okay, so we got those two in here, and then we have stickers for days, kids. Let's pop them open really quick and see if I can show you some of the stickers that they have in here. so nice. I want you guys to really see what you get in this box in case you're interested. So we have stickers that have all the days of the week, which is nice. And this has little sayings on there like, you know, note to self, don't forget, your appointment, your meeting, all of that kind of stuff. So that's really awesome. And then this, you can just do whatever the heck you want with it, right? Whatever you want. Pretty awesome. And then we have these ones as well, which are really nice and fun. Again, you can write something on there to remind yourself of something or whatever you want to do. This one's an appointment one and like a don't forget kind of sticker thing. And then, ooh, little cakes. That'll be great for when I send birthday cards to people. Awesome. And then again, with some little sayings on there, which is super, super nice. Love it. Oh, this is so cute. And then we have, these are like borders. So you would use these for borders on things to make them pop, I guess you can say. So that's really awesome. Oh, there's cow print. There's a cow print one. Do you guys see that? What? There's a cow print one. Yes. Awesome. Okay. So let's see. I think we have one last thing in here. It's Slay the Day. Yes, ma'am. So we have this little, what is it, a journal? Ooh, oh, this is so cute, guys. Okay, so here's the outside of it. And then as I'm flipping through the inside, work it, babe. Work it. And then it says, I'm beautiful today because, boom, you can write whatever you want in there. Just saying. Well, hopefully I feel beautiful that day. This is so cool. I love this. It says today's playlist, my motivation. This is really cool, guys. I absolutely love this. This is so super fun. I'm totally going to use this for sure. Okay, guys, so I got this little book. I got a plethora of stickers. I got some washi tape, and I got a couple of ink pens with this one. This one was $5.99. So it was $5.99. I think the shipping was the same, so it was like $4.99. So $6 plus $5 is $11. Yay, Amber! Woo! I hope that's right. If it's not right, I'll definitely pop it up and let you guys know. But that is giving you an idea of what you get if you want to get any of these mystery planner boxes or the mystery makeup box. But they also have a website dedicated solely to postcards and souvenirs. Might be a couple of other things on their website. I'm really not sure, but just make sure that you jump over and check them out, guys. This is a small business. I love supporting small businesses. So if any of the stuff that I showed you today would be of interest to you or someone you know in your life, because Christmas is around the corner, guys. So if you want to make it happen and you want to make it happen on a very affordable budget, check them out. Their eBay store is totally awesome. They have the postcards on there as well too. But again, KelzMailJoy.com is their website. Make sure you check out their website for that. And you can get these mystery type boxes on their eBay store. I love everything that I got. This was such a super exciting, fun haul. Thank you to Jean's Junk for introducing me to this business. I am so excited. And if you haven't checked Jean out, make sure you jump over and check out her channel as soon as you're done watching this. Thanks so much for checking this out, guys. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! This is Amber Bazaar's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you I'm sorry. I drew a blank. Try it again. This is Amber Bazaar's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you a really... How do I say this? Try it again. I don't know how to say it. And in today's video, I have for you a mysterious haul from Kelz Nailjoy. Kelz! Try it again. They have their own eBay store and they have their own website where they sell quite a few different... say that differently. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber Bazaar's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you... No.